Hello everybody, I just received this delivery about, I think, the snapshot from Eon. So let's unbox them together and discovering the thing. So this is, wow, great. This is quite cool. I really wanted this kind of metallic effect, and also, yes, I like the kind of magnet effect to open the box. And here we are with this very special certificate, specially signed. I signed 2,000 of them. This is the number 320. And now let's discover this beautiful object. I really took a lot of care with Eric Kornick, who did all the design of the box, and to try to get the best possible material. So let's have a look on this. So first of all, we have the CD. On this CD, you have the two snapshots on the picture discs. So, which is great, is actually when you remove the CD, you still have the same image on the back of the box. And then let's discover the first picture disc with you. I'm discovering I never saw it like you. It's for me a total discovery, and I wanted to check the quality of the, oh yes, that's great. Wow, really nice. Look at that. They did a real good job, and it's a 180 grams, so the quality is, we did some tests, the quality of the vinyl is really high quality. Let's discover the rest of this great coffee table book. So the snapshot from Eon, and then, yes, that's great. I don't know if with the reflection, so the paper is really cool. And Sony did a very good job. So you have all the different translation and all the different graphics. It's quite a thick one, and the paper is fantastic. Let's just have a look like this of all the, wow. This is really cool. Wow, look at that. That's really nice, huh? And you know, it's really what I wanted. That, I mean, this box is very special because it's not like another. Of course, you can record Eon, but that was really what I wanted to do, kind of the equivalent of lithography for painting, but for a music project. Where so. Before that, let's discover the second. I'm so excited. Let's discover the second picture disc. Wow, look at this. So nice. Great job. It's really nice. Great. And then the second CD is actually a third snapshot of Eon. This third CD is very special. Same trick with the graphic is also on the cover. And this second CD is the third exclusive snapshots. Why those snapshots are different from the snapshots we can get from Eon? First of all, they are the first tests ever made when I started this project with Bliss. So some of the sounds and some of the parts of in these snapshots are not even existing anymore on the definite Eon. This is the reason why I wanted to have kind of remain or trace of the first steps of the life of Ian. And these snapshots are mine. And of course, you can have yours, but I wanted really to get this in a special object. And again, this is something that you cannot find in any record shops, or you cannot order this anywhere on iTunes, on platforms. It's just this box. And I love the idea of having a very limited edition of something that took me for probably 1 year to achieve. And these very early tests for me are very important to share with the fans. So I really hope you liked it as much as I am. And this is, for me, Christmas in the beginning of December. That's it. See you soon.